sabihin natin na meron na tayong mga seedlings, tapos lumaki na sila after some time. Ngayon, kailangan kapag ita-transplant na natin sila, dapat tama yung plant density. Let's say, for example, gagawa ka ng mango farm. So, dapat hindi sila tabi-tabi, dapat meron silang proper spacing. So, usually, sa board exam, ganito lang yung lumalabas na calculation sa crop science. Ayun. I think nung sa amin may dalawa yatang calculation ng plant density. Pero very easy lang talaga, like as in. Kaya kasi may formula naman kayo na susundan eh, so madali lang. Ang lumabas nga lang yata is square, tapos triangle. O diba, ang easy lang nun. Okay, let's start with the square system. So if you have a calculator with you, kindly sabay kayo sa computation. Tapos pwede nyo i-take note itong, ang tawag dyan, formula na yan. So square system, trees are planted on the corners of the square, whatever may be the planting distance. The plant population is computed as number of plants equals area. Given naman yan sa problem, area. Then yung planting distance times 2. So sa planting distance, kasi di ba minsan kapag nasa problem, may sinasabi 8 by 8. So, ang planting distance na doon ay 8. Hindi nyo i-8 times 8. Tapos i-ratio pa into square. So, hindi dapat ganon. So, dapat, kapag sinabing 8 by 8, or minsan kasi nakakalito yung ganun. So, 8 by 8 yung planting distance. So, ang gagawin nyo lang doon, kunin nyo lang yung 8 meters. Tapos i-square nyo siya. Okay, so let's say for example, ito. Problem. Meet Doña Cris, a haciendera. She wants to plant durian cultivars in her square-shaped land with an area of 50,000 meters squared. The recommended planting distance of durian is 8 meters apart. She thought of using a square layout system. Help her by computing the number of durian trees that she can plant in her land. Sige nga. You can start computing for this. And you can comment your answer. Okay, so let's solve the problem. Again, the formula is area over planting distance squared. So, ayan. Solution, identify the given values. So, ano yung total land area? 50,000 meters squared. Then the planting distance is 8 meters at the planting system ay square system. So, isa-square lang natin yung planting distance. So, 8 squared or 8 times 8 ay 64 meter squared. So, this means each durian tree occupies 64 meter squared of the land. So, yun lang, 50,000 total land area. I-divide lang siya sa 64. Ito ay galing sa 8 squared. 8 is planting distance squared. So, lalabas si 781.25. So, ayun. You can just round it off to the nearest. Kapag sa board exam naman, hindi naman siya magkakalapit yung sagot na A, 781, B, 782. Hindi naman ganon. Like, sobrang lalayo ng mga choices nung nag-take ako ng boards. A, 781, B, 3,600. Ganon siya. So, obvious yung answer. So, the answer is, Doña Cris can plant 781 durian trees in her 50,000 meter land using an 8 meters by 8 meters square planting layout. So that's for the square. Now, let's go to quincunx or diagonal. So it is a modified square planting method whereby a temporary filler crop is planted at the middle of the square. Ibig sabihin lang, meron tayong may square, kunwari ito yung square, then merong isa sa gitna. So, yung filler crop na yan, kaya parang ganyan yung mangyayari. So, merong halaman dito, halaman here, halaman here, halaman here. So, usually, kunwari ito ay mga puno talaga, yung filler crop pwedeng mas maliit na kaya mag-tolerate ng shade. So, ayan ay quincunx. So, the purpose of quincunx is to maximize the land area. So, ayun. Ito yung formula. Ito, familiar siya, di ba? Kasi siya si square. Kaya yung formula ng square. Kasi nga, sabi natin, nandun pa rin naman si square. Ang i-compute na lang natin ay yung filler crops, which is using this formula. So, ayan siya, area over planting distance squared, then ipa-plus lang natin. So, pwedeng i-compute nyo muna yung square, then ito na yung next. Length over planting distance minus 1. Width over planting distance minus 1. Okay. So, kapag kunwari rectangular or yung lupa ay, ang tawag dito, rectangle, meron ng given sa formula na length, sa formula sa problem, na length and width. So, kunwari, the length of the farm is 5,000 meters. Then the width is ganyan-ganyan, etc. So, madali na siya i-compute. Pero paano kung ganito ang problem? Same nung kanina. Haciendera, ayan, si Doña Cris ulit, she wants to plant durian cultivars. Tapos ngayon, ang gusto na niya ay quincunx kasi nalaman niya na, mas marami pala akong pwedeng itanim kapag quincunx kasi meron pa sa gitna. How will I get or how will I solve for it? Using this formula. Gamitin niyo yung same na, ang tawag dito, same na ano, given. So, 50,000 meters squared over yung planting distance pa rin na 8. Ilan na kaya? So, it means dapat mas marami yan sa 781. Ano ang pwedeng gawin para meron na bang may answer? Comment your answer. Okay. So, kapag ganun ang given, sige, 50,000 meters squared. Sabi, she wants to plant durian cultivars in her square-shaped land. So, ang gagawin natin ay, para makuha ang length and width, balik tayo geometry. Wow. Sa square, ang length and width ay equal. Diba? So, what we can do for us to solve for this is to square yung area. Isa-square root lang natin siya. So, total land area, 50,000 meters squared. Yung length and width, since it is a square-shaped land, so ang gagawin natin is square root lang natin si 50,000. Then lalabas si 223.61 meters. Then same nung kanina. So let's just plug it in doon sa formula. Yan, square the planting distance, etc. Then, hindi ko pa pala siya na-edit. Hindi. ito yung sa first side pala. So, step 2, step 3. So, merong 781 sa square. Then, sa second part ng formula is yung filler trees. So, ito. Yung 223.61 over 8 minus 1. The same dito. So, kapag kinompute mo yan, 27.95 minus 1. Same. 26.95. 6.95. Then, lalabas si 726.30 na filler trees. Filler trees pa lang yan. So, ang gagawin lang ay ipag-add silang dalawa. So, ang main trees natin ay 781, then si filler trees ay 726. So, in total, meron tayong 1,507 na trees. Nakuha ba yun? So, ang ano lang, para ma-plug in nyo siya, kailangan nyo lang i-square root ang area para makuha si length times width. Kasi di ba length times width equals area. So, square root lang yan kapag hindi given. And assuming na siya ay square na land. Pero kung hindi naman, kunwari rectangular yan or what, sasabihin naman nila yan dito. So, that's quincunx. So, 1,507 trees. Next, we have triangular or hexagonal. So, ito yung isa sa mga lumabas sa board exam noong time namin. Ano lang yan siya. So, almost same, planting distance square. Then yung denominator lang ha, ay eta times sa 0.866. Ayan lang siya. So, area over planting distance squared. Then yung denominator lang yung eta times sa 0.866. Hindi yung buo. Okay? So, this one is constant. So, yung tatandaan nyo, 0.866. Constant siya. So, let's try it sa problem. Mang Ben owns a 60,000 meter squared mango farm. The recommended planting distance for mango is 10 meters apart. If he uses a triangular planting system, how many mango trees can be planted in the farm? Okay, you can comment your answers. Okay, okay, let's solve it. So first, identify the given values. We have 60,000 meters squared, tapos 10 meters yung planting distance. So 10 times 10, 100. Then, ang gagawin lang ay number of trees, 60,000 over 100 times 0.866 na denominator. So lalabas si, tama kayo, 693 na trees. So ayun lang siya. So the answer is, Mang Ben can plant 693 mango trees using the triangular planting system. Very good. If you want more na ganito, pwede ako magbigay ng worksheet tomorrow. And lastly, is yung rectangular system. So almost similar siya sa square system. However, the row-to-row distance is more than that of the plant-to-plant distance. So ito naman L and my L1, my L2 to my longer and shorter side. Hindi katulad na, like say for example, kapag sa Square, kapag square system kasi parang ano lang, ganito lang siya. Square talaga, yung ganyan. Tapos, sa rectangular, may longer side, merong ano. So, may halaman dito, halaman dyan. So, may longer, merong shorter side. So, ito square, that's yung quincunx, meron dito. So, ito lang yung formula. Area over length 1 times length 2. Okay, so let's try it. It's a problem. Aling Rosa owns a 48,000 meter squared coconut farm. She plans to use a rectangular planting system where the spacing is 6 meters between plants, plant to plant distance, and 8 meters between rows, row to row distance. How many coconut trees can be planted in the farm? Okay, so let's solve for it. Identify the given values. Have 48,000, the length 1, length 2. So, i-multiply lang siya. 48 meters squared. So, yung 48,000 na total land area, di-divide na siya sa 48. So, lalabas si 1,000. So, Aling Rosa can plant 1,000 coconut trees using the rectangular planting system. And that's it for calculating plant density.